Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Drama-O-Rama online. I'm Mrs. Combs, and I'm so excited to share this time with you today. So remember to have your journals ready, and let's get started. For today's warm-up, we are going to play freeze dance with a twist. I'm going to call out a shape, and I want you to dance like nobody is watching, showing that shape in your arms, your legs, and your torso. And remember to show energy from tip to toe, and bonus points for adding facial expressions. Are you ready? Find a safe space to move around. Then stand in neutral. Let's start with straight lines. Straight lines in our arms, legs, and torso. Listen for the music and dance. The music has stopped, so everyone should be frozen. Stay frozen until the music starts. And the next shape are curved lines in our arms, legs, and torso. The music has stopped, so everyone should be frozen. All right, so our last shape are spaghetti lines. We've got spaghetti lines in our arms, legs, and torso. And when the music starts, dance. Stay frozen and neutral. Very good. Today, we are going to explore angles. So what's an angle? In geometry, an angle is when two straight lines come together at a point that they share. For example, my forearms are straight lines. And when my fist and elbow come together, they share a point and then become an angle. There are many types of angles, but we're going to explore 4 of them. The right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. The acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. The obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. And the straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. We have right, acute, obtuse, and straight. Let's explore the meaning of the words that these angles are named for. So when you think of right, you think, correct or proper. Acute, sharp or clever. Obtuse, dull or ignorant. And straight, direct, unbending. Interesting. These sound like character traits. Let's have some fun and explore each angle like they are 3-dimensional characters. Are you ready? Find a comfortable seat on the floor. Okay, let's start with right angle. So position your body so that your legs are one line, your torso the other line, and the point that they share is in your hips. Feel that in your body. Straight and a very upright angle. And think about the meaning of right. Correct, proper. How would right angle move? How would right angle talk? What would right angle say? Well, let's bring right angle to life as a three-dimensional character. Are you ready? Find a safe space to explore right angle. Think about how your body felt as right angle. Think about the straight lines, the rigidness, and I want you to move about the space with that feeling. Now say the line, "Well, I'm always correct." Well, I'm always correct. And neutral. All right, now let's explore acute angle. So let's position our legs straight out, one straight line, our torso the other straight line, and the point that they share is in our hips. Now remember, right angle was 90 degrees, but acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So we have to bring our body forward. How does this change? How does this make us feel? And then think about the meaning of acute. Sharp, clever. How would acute angle move? How would acute angle talk? What would acute angle say? Well, let's bring acute angle to life. Are you ready? Find a safe space to explore acute angle. Think about how your body felt as acute angle. How is this different than right angle? Now move about the space with that feeling. Now say the line, "Once again, I solved the case." Once again, I solved the case. And neutral. Now let's explore obtuse angle. So let's get our bodies in position. Our legs being the straight line, one straight line, our torso being the other straight line, and the point that they share in our hips. Now remember, this is 90 degrees, and obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees. So we really have to engage our core to hold this position. So how does this change in our bodies make you feel? And then think about the meaning of obtuse. Dull, ignorant. How would obtuse angle move? How would obtuse angle talk? What would obtuse angle say? Well, let's bring obtuse angle to life. Are you ready? Find a safe space to explore obtuse
angle. Think about how your body felt as obtuse angle. How different was that from right angle and acute angle? And how challenging to be in that position. Now move about the space with that feeling. Now say the line, "I don't want to do anything."
I don't want to do anything.
And neutral.
And finally, let's explore straight angle. So remember, let's position our bodies that our legs are one line, our torso is the other line, and the point that they share is in our hips. Now, straight angle is a full 180 degrees. Whoop, just like that. All right, now let's think about how this change in our body makes us feel. And let's think about the meaning of straight, direct, unbending. How would straight angle move? How would straight angle talk? And what would straight angle say? Well, why don't we explore straight angle and bring straight angle to life? Are you ready?
Find a safe space to explore straight angle. Think about how your body felt as straight angle. How different that was from all the other angles. Move about the space with that feeling. Now say the line, "I refuse to budge."
I refuse to budge.
And neutral. Very good.
Today, we had fun exploring different angles, the kind you find in geometry. We used our bodies to form each angle. Then we gave each angle character traits, transforming two-dimensional angles into three-dimensional characters. Each angle character moved and spoke in their own unique ways. Right angle was correct and proper. Acute angle was sharp and clever. Obtuse angle was dull and ignorant. And straight angle was direct and unbending. Making mind-body connections to math concepts helps us visualize each concept, understand each concept, and ultimately remember each concept. It's time for today's journal prompt.
I want you to think about the 4 angle characters we created today, and then write a story based on all 4 angle characters: right, acute, obtuse, and straight angles. Who are they? How are they related? What is the conflict in the story, and how is the conflict resolved? And remember, use details.
Thank you so much for transforming two-dimensional angles into three-dimensional characters with me today. See you next time.